Yo, we got a new GoPro, everybody. A GoPro 12. Not the newest one, obviously, because I'm broke. But we got this unboxed one on eBay, right? For like $240, bro. Easy money. Like, it's new, but like, you know, no box. Yeah. So we're going to test out some new settings that I finally realized on the GoPro. But hyper smooth does not work at night. I should have known this. I don't know. So I'm gonna try some new things and see if the night settings look good or not. What's that noise? So yeah, we're just gonna take a little night ride. Probably try go across the Maryland border. Show y'all what. Do a little ride over there. Alrighty, y'all. Little night ride here. So I hope the lighting is a little better. If y'all want me to explain it, I mean, there's a bunch of YouTube videos on it already, but if you want solely from me, like an in-depth video of it and hear my beautiful voice, let me know. I'll make some GoPro settings. I also have like ND filters too, so that's what makes the video, you know, pop and shit. I got a new GoPro, everybody. Yes, finally, man. Cause like the GoPro 10, man, I mean, nothing's wrong with it. You know, nothing's wrong with it at all. It was just a little, I don't want to say outdated, cause really you can just like, you know, use a lot of software and like make things better. You know what I'm saying? But I want to say like probably just newer settings around the GoPro, like with the hyper view and shit like that, and like it's a little better here and there. Can record like at like better, you know, megapixels, better, just a little bit better resolution, you know. I didn't want to go fully to the 13. That's just like $400, man. $300. I mean, yeah, it's like $60 more, but that's a day's worth of work for somebody, you know. $60 more than like what I bought it at. So I got it for like $240, man. Really cheap, bruh. Just keep it calm on here, you know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck about my turns, bro. We just turning, bro. There's nobody around me. If y'all give a damn about my S's a lot, I really don't care. I mean, like, sometimes I do when I'm like riding, when I want to ride like perfect. But if it's just like riding around, you know, I mean, I feel like you guys feel the same way as me, but just don't care, man.
watch out for these bumps, bro. If you're in Maryland, you know what I'm talking about, bro. These bumps going to Maryland from Virginia, nah, bro, these ain't it. Trying to ride over them. Luckily they redid these roads, you know what I'm saying? Fixed. Feels even weirder on the bike, man. It feels smooth on the car, you know. There should be a sign right here that says welcome to Maryland. Right here. I don't know if y'all can see. In the left lane with your hazards on? What are you doing, brother? Huh? Lead the way, truck. Lead the way, truck. Lead the way, truck. You know when you find your highway, buddy? Right here, bruh. All that traffic was, and I could have just easily dodged it, but sometimes nowadays I kind of just want to sit in it and just like enjoy it and then pick my ways through whenever I'm like impatient, you know. So anybody watch that new Demon Slayer movie? I don't know if y'all watch anime like that, but I kind of do a little bit. Tell y'all where I'm going, but just know I'm going to grab some things. It's just some things, you know, that is only in Maryland and not in Virginia. I mean, it's in Virginia too, like DC and shit, but you know what I'm saying. No, you're turning. No, I don't think it'll turn green for me here, bro. Unless it does, then I'll be amazed. Yep, no car stopping here. Oh, oh my God, it worked. What the hell? Sounds mean, bro. Got piccoli.
Alright guys, we'll be right back.